I find different ways to connect to students. And the best way to do that is to find them where they communicate. And social media is the platform where they communicate the best. Why I choose Gabriel Dawes' piece as an assignment is because he's a contemporary artist, but also he's a local artist. And I feel strongly, in a good, positive way, that the Amon has chosen to showcase a local artist.
This was a local artist from Dallas. It made me proud to be a member of the Fort Worth community and a member of the DFW Metroplex in general, just because we have so many wonderful museums, and it's encouraging, I think, to young artists to see that you can accomplish something and be a part of the museum culture that's around here.